Hey guys, I'm at Roaring River State Park. Check out the ice on that for that propane or whatever that is. It's crazy. There's a lot of ice buildup. Roaring River State Park, and it's not March 1st yet, but it's getting close. March 1st is when it opens up, so right now it's actually closed to fishing or anything. You can come down and look, but no fishing. There's the cave up there where it all starts, and evidently not too long ago, a few months back, somebody, a diver died down in there. Couldn't get out and died, drowned, way, 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 way down in that hole. It kind of goes in there and goes straight down, but sad deal. He lost his life doing what he loves, obviously. There's a trail that goes up over here, goes up and around. You see it part over there, and then this over here. This is called the Deer Leap. Story be told, a deer jumped off there one time running and come flying off there, and they call it the Deer Leap because of that. Whether that's true or not, I don't know. Let's see if there's any trout in here. Oh yeah, I see some. Hopefully you guys can see them. There's a few right there. Oh, this side look. Probably more over here. If you can see them, there's a bunch over there. Big old bunch. There's a couple of nice ones there. That's a real nice one right there. We enjoy coming down here and fishing a lot. We come down here a lot. They've got all new asphalt in here now this year. See the falls coming out there. That's actually a good place to fish right there. So I actually started at the end of Rowan River State Park. It goes out that way, but actually where you come in most of the time on the highway is down here. Down this way. Oh, do not enter. I was going to go that way too, boy. Don't want to do that. I see a bunch of fish out in there. They're getting this stocked up and everything ready for March 1st, opening day. When that buzzer goes off in the morning, everybody cast out. People casting their lines over each other and getting tangled up. So everybody comes down here and gets in a tangled mess. I've done it several years in a row. And last year and this year I'm not going to. I've just got things going on. I don't want to use my vacation day. It's on a Wednesday, so I need my vacation for other things this year. So I'll come down here fishing, just not taking off work on March 1st. If I come down March 1st, I'll come down in the evening after work or another day. And this March 1st probably going to be pretty nice compared to some. Some have been not so nice. Dang, the wind's blowing like crazy. Rolling stop. We'll stop at this one. So if we stop twice, that'll make up for not stopping back there. I mean, sounds legal. I would think it would be. There's a big restaurant up there. Campground 1 over here. I've given a tour of this park a long time ago in a video. There is the park store right there, so you can go get your fishing license and your daily trout permit and fishing tackle, food, stuff like that. Shirts, they have a lot of stuff in there. Pavilions here that you can rent, or you can just use them if they're open like that, I think. You don't have to rent them. But I got all kinds of picnic tables down here. It's not too bad. This Jeep is one around me. It's not a Jeep, but it says Jeep on the front, so some people call them a Jeep even though it's not. It's just got the Jeep name on it. So this is Campground 3. This is the nature center. You can go in there and look at snakes and spiders and different things they have in there. Bathrooms with showers right here. This is Campground 3. And as far as I know, it's all reservable now. You can't just go to the campgrounds like and pick a spot and get it. Not that this may be down here. I don't know. I have to look when I come back up through here. If it is or not. Looks like they're planting new trees out there maybe. Oh no, it looks like they may be planting trees, but I ain't sure they ain't blowing up a bunch of leaves so they can light them on fire in piles. Getting it all ready and beautiful for March 1st. It's pretty cool. Down here is Camp Smoky. They have summer camp thing down here. And way down here at the end of number 3 is the cleaning station. So you can bring your trout down here and clean them when you get down. That's right there. And this is pretty much the end of the park as far as fishing, but you can fish on down. And you fish down there, you actually don't have to have a trout permit. If you're fishing for trout, you have to have a trout stamp, the yearly stamp. Do not enter. I don't remember that. I thought this was both ways. I'm pretty sure it was. It's not now. So anyway, we'll go back this way. Yeah, I see the R on there, reserved. So they're all reservable now as far as I know, which I hate that. Because I'm not a reservable kind of person. I'm a spur of the moment kind of person. We like to just, on a Friday, we're like, hey, get on work, let's go camping. Well, you can't reserve a spot at a place like this, so that's why we do a lot of just do the off the grid, dispersed camping. And it's better anyway, because you're not around all these people. I'm not into being all around all the people anyway, so it's not too bad down here. It's really laid back. I mean, compared to a lot of places, it's really laid back. So, Campground 3. Not too bad. They got cabins you can rent here too. It's not just the camping part. And definitely would have to reserve them too. So down here is flies only, and you can wade in the water. This right here is flies only, but it's catch and release only, and you can wade here too. This is zone 2. Zone 3 down there is flies only, which means you got to have at least one hook and feathers. And then up there you can flies only, but it's catch and release. So anything you catch in there, you're supposed to turn it loose, not keep it. If you bring trash in here, take it with you. No joke. I wish people would listen to that one. But this is Campground 2. I don't remember if I said it. I think I did. And it's got several camp spots, picnic table by each one, electric hookups, but no full hookups. In fact, in this whole Roaring River State Park, there's actually no full hookups with water, sewer, and electric. You got electric, and that's it. And there is a few places, spigots around with water where you can not hook your camper up, but you can fill. There's one right there. You can fill your camper. There's one right there. So fill your camper, get you a jug of water, whatever. They couldn't work this morning. I'm telling you, it rained and it rained and it rained today. We got a lot of rain. I can't wait till time to go camping. It's so nice and to be able to be out and enjoy the nature. And I like to take my DUALSPORT too, because then we can take the bike and go on some rides while we're out. Instead of being just stuck at the campground all the time. I don't want to just stay at the campground. We do go fishing every day if I go camping. definitely, and we catch the fish and we eat what we catch. I'm not a throwback person. I catch fish not just for fun. I enjoy it, but I want to eat them, and that's why I catch them. The trout is good. It's not my favorite. Actually, my favorite is actually goggle eye, brim, whatever you want to call it. You can call it goggle eye or rock bass, or brim, or perch, whatever you want to call it, or crappie. That's my favorite. Any of them species. Got another bathroom up here. Another bathroom, I think right there, a little one. Single bathroom. I don't know what this turkey's sitting there for. Don't know what a turn signal means, I guess. Yep, she don't have a clue. Huh. Yeah, maybe someday she'll learn. She gets old enough. She's probably only 40. Used to be the cleaning station here at the end of zone 1. This is campground 1, which is pretty nice too. But same way, here's where you can come and buy or rent your spots, or the park office actually. Actually, I think you can only do it online now as far as renting the spots or reserving a spot. I think this guy thinks I'm going to run over his dog, but I'm not going to do it. Like a big gray poodle. He probably don't like these dang old dirt bikers. Camp host. Campground 1 kind of just goes up in a little canyon here. Somebody out there camping. Yeah, I think this one here is actually open all year. You can come up here and camp year round, but I don't know if the water's on or anything. I don't know if you can get water. They should be able to because they're the frost-free hydrants. Somebody else up here. It's kind of cool up in this one. It's probably the most shade you're going to get at any of them. And from the looks of that, they do have the good internet here. Fiber optic right there. And the Wi-Fi, as far as I know, it was last year anyway, it's free. Used to, down in this Roaring River State Park, you only had service for Verizon. But now, and T-Mobile, I think. But now, actually, AT&T has cell phone service down here. So you got data down here on AT&T. That's very cool. There's a bathroom up here at the end of this one. There's a place where you can go dive off in the creek. Now, there's no water in the creek, but you can still dive there if you wanted to. Did I say die or dive? Uh-oh. Here comes a biker dude after me. Sure enough. That's a Bartle do right there. Well, guys, I'm going to get out of here, cut this video off. That is Roaring River State Park here in southwest Missouri, just south of Cassville, and not too far from Table Rock Lake. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe down below. Comment, what do you think of this campground? Have you got a good one where you're at? But this is a pretty good one for this area, local campground. But comment below and tell me what you think. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Catch you all on the next one. Right on.